Bring the warmth of a farmhouse Christmas to your table this year. We're counting down 5 inspiring starters and sides that will completely elevate your holiday menu. These recipes are sure to become new family traditions. Let's start off with our first dish at number 5, Cheddar Bacon Scones.
Baking scones is about as traditional as you can get. Cheddar and bacon, flour, baking powder, smoky paprika. That makes the basis for my dough. That's good. Combine and bring it all together with some cold butter. This is Welsh cheddar with that crisp bacon. I think that's about it. Now, a quick score, just so it makes it easier to break after baking. So a quick egg wash, just to provide a nice little shine and glaze to the top of the scones. But I'm also going to top these off with a little more grated cheese. And one little secret is a little Welsh salt. It has been smoked over Welsh oak, and it smells divine. Ready for the oven. Light, fluffy. What a great combination with a soup like this. Great taste, great texture, nice crunchy crust, and that hit of salt.
Moving to number 4, we have the elegant and rich potato leek soup.
Can you think of anything more Welsh than leeks and potatoes? That happens to be one of my favorites. The one question that I get asked the most is, where did my love of food and cooking come from? And the short answer to that is, I blame my parents. And it's there that they taught my family, myself, the value of local, homegrown, seasonal produce that you cook and work with and show it great respect. I'm ready to add some chicken stock. And just top it up with a touch of water. And of course, let's not forget the seasoning. And these flavors will start coming together and really turning into a heartwarming soup for a cold winter's day. It is really looking terrific. And those flavors have become so intense. Let's ladle some up. So a touch of creme fraiche, a little smoked salmon, some freshly chopped chives, and a drizzle of olive oil. That is a delicious holiday soup. It is rich and earthy, meets a touch of sophistication.
Sliding in at number 3, we have the incredibly savory and crispy lamb fat roasted potatoes.
Lamb fat roast potatoes. Merry Christmas indeed. In Wales, you simply can't have a roast dinner without having some roast potatoes. And I've parboiled these in a little chicken stock and water. Now, they're ready for roasting. The lamb fat into a good hot pan. Turn up the heat and in with the potatoes. Hear that bubbling and twitching and whistling that's going on? It's exactly what I want to hear with these roast spuds. Make sure they all get a good coating. A hit of cracked black pepper. It's that simple for the best roast potatoes in town. Into a hot oven. These roast potatoes look absolutely fantastic.
Now at number 2, we have the comforting and rich polenta gratin with sautéed wild mushrooms.
I'm now ready to add Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Just rub it with a little olive oil. Take our polenta while it's piping hot. Pat it down, work it into the corners, make sure there's no air bubbles, and as flat as you can make it. I'll leave the polenta here to cool while I prepare the mushroom ragu. These are purple foot mushrooms, hence the color. And these, chanterelles. And what's going to happen with these mushrooms, they'll cook down very fast. Before I cook the mushrooms, I'll just pop the polenta into the fridge. My polenta's firmed up nicely. Just give a little trim to square off the edges. Just a little butter to stop things from sticking. Simple arrangement in the bottom of the dish. Next, we take a little sprinkling of grated Parmesan. This is taleggio, a soft, mild-mannered cheese. Similar to brie, just a couple of little wedges which will start to melt. Let's get it in the oven. When it comes out of the oven, it looks this good.
And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, maple roasted root vegetables.
Wintertime is certainly the time of year to be using a good rutabaga. I'm going to roast this rutabaga with some heirloom carrots and winter parsnips. The important thing with roasting root vegetables is to make sure they're all cut roughly the same size. The intent there is that they'll all cook equally. A quick maple syrup glaze and a touch of the acidity from some Dijon mustard. Add a splash of olive oil. Very simple glaze. Add the rutabaga, parsnips, and these gorgeous, colorful heirloom carrots. I want them all coated with that sticky, sweet glaze and the tangy mustard. Now, a few leaves of thyme. Onto a baking sheet with a piece of parchment. Makes the cleanup a little easier. Touch up a little bit with the salt, because that salt on top is a nice crisp touch when those roots are all roasted. A few sprigs over the top of that, and ready to go to a hot oven. So beautifully roasted and balanced out with the mustard, a little maple syrup, and of course, that fresh thyme.
That wraps up our countdown of 5 inspiring dishes. We hope you found the perfect recipe to try tonight. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more simple cooking ideas.